JT. I don't wanna hear it, ain't talking the bag. I cover my ears, I hop in the lamb, I'm switching the gears. My bitches is ballin', make
Vlog start?
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to
Mystic Mountain.
You can say it with a little more life. Where are we going, Tristan?
Hey!
Where are we going?
Mystic Mountain!
So we're going to Mystic Mountain. Their parking lot is full, so we had to park down the road at, what is this, Curly Beach. So we parked over here, and then we have to get on the shuttle bus to go outside, you know? So yeah. So we're on our way.
No, because one cup the from the football seat there.
Who are you talking to? Oh. So yeah. So we're on our way there now. We're waiting for the bus with the gang. You guys can know them. Tiana. Tristan.
Hey, yeah.
You know, Shy. Is this the bus? We're getting the shuttle bus. Where's my phone? Oh. So yeah, okay. I can't believe I forgot the AirPods. Yeah.
Yo, you have a collect for the one where you're swapping now. You want to collect what you have swapping the money from cash up already?
Yeah, girl.
Yeah.
How do you say it's yeah, girl? What's your name? Yeah, girl. You have money? Yeah, girl.
Because me link with me and him steady and I know how to come up with him. Yeah.
Yeah. Focus no camera. Focus.
What I do? Oh,
What the? How you turn so fast? How the truck turn so fast?
you turn it just in it.
Just to find the wave over here.
Yeah, girl.
For
waive of liability, everybody's first and last name. Ladies, there's a line over here.
you're done there.
You have a reservation?
Yeah.
Who made a reservation? You did? Make your way over behind those two ladies. Marsha will deal with you and you'll find the waiver that is over there.
Would you see all the women that examine it, whether or not? And she said, should I even take this?
She better take it.
Better take it, right? I know, I just like, looking at she examine it.
But when she look at Cheyenne and see the address is the same, she just loved it.
Yeah, for Cheyenne, so Jamaica, so. No, because she examined it. She actually wants something.
It's a send it to somebody. Mama, come here.
Hey guys, so safety first. It's so pretty here.
Yeah.
Okay, but I have a hair in my eye.
What does the supervisor want?
So ladies, we're doing the run the reading, right? You know what's included in that package?
We can start them up tomorrow.
Everything.
Alright. Everything except the ATV, right?
Yes, and all I'm saying.
Can we have the leftovers, please?
We got Run the Rhythm A.
Do you have hair in my face? Yes, I am. Something's like poking in my eye.
From your lash.
Okay, so we're here now.
Huh? We're going something soft.
We're here now. Let's go on this first.
Them the first up to the end, that's how we enter.
Oh.
We have to go up and around.
Okay, so we're here, guys. Look at the place. It's so pretty. I feel like I'm in the jungle.
In the jungle, the mountain jungle.
Look at them big ants.
Where?
They're here on the floor.
Red ants in them back of the Oh, sorry.
Hold the line.
Yeah.
Thing met daar wachten.
Okay.
You can go forward.
Nou, dat wordt goed.
Oh, take a picture. Let's take.
Does it not work?
Oh, it's not working. Look at all the fishes. Look at all the fishes. Yeah. I can't breathe in my mask.
Indy's not afraid of heights.
Oh, so get your. This is my shirt's from Magnet Wear. Get your shirts.
Earrings.
My earrings are from Shy Girl. My bag is from Shy Girl. That's no rum. Now if you're gonna hold me up like that, you can't do that moving business. Okay, because you're gonna feel like you're gonna come rock and make us drop. Matter of fact, I'm gonna ride with Tiana.
No, you're not. You're not
Put up the weight. Just put up the weight. Just put up the weight. Okay, look, me and you're heavy, right? Me and you're heavy.
Yeah, so it's free.
Oh, okay. So Tiana go with Cheyenne, she can come with me.
Trying to open up now. We're trying to something else. I can't even put forward on it.
So it can break? Okay, so right now we're lining up to go on this. Okay? We're lining up to go on this. Me and Tristan are going together. Cheyenne and Tiana are going together. Tristan is scared, Cheyenne is scared.
Oh God!
Make sure you do it public. I'm gonna record it, so you better not flop.
Nervous.
It's coming, Cheyenne. It's coming.
I'm going to conquer it today. Before it I go. You're trying to ask me. It's long now. Come down.
Watch back the crack of her door. Okay, so it's our turn. Move over now. So we're going up now, coming around.
We realize that's right now stop.
Right? Yeah, they realize so they come around the seat. Here's the seat. Right? Like you know,
Eh? You want the bar? What you mean?
You too. Oh, thank you. I said you too. Okay, so we're going on. Why is it not okay?
Oh my god. We're going up.
So the whole time Jasan thought her camera was ugly, but it's because her screen protector needs to change. Show them the screen protector. I don't know why you still have that on there. It's done its work.
Drop it in the jungle?
Yeah, drop. No littering. No dirtying up Jamaica. Oh my god, why didn't I take it from here? Look back there. Now it looks scary when you look back like that. Gun. All you have to do is wait till you come back down and try and leap off. My ass is stuck to the friggin' thing.
But them are gonna take away a jump off.
Anything at all, you can just give me a line. We'll do some shout outs for you, alright? So this time is a shout out of myself.
Why never go after me? No, because it's coming with somebody.
So right now we're going on Ragamuffin. But you shouldn't be scared of rides. You've been to amusement parks and stuff back in America, no?
But you're still scared.
I know you're not scared. You're fake.
I'm not scared of this because this ain't no Leviathan or nothing.
Oh, I'm scared of Leviathan.
Exactly, Leviathan? Look there. Look there. Start to no. Make sure I put up my phone. I'm putting up. Turn it in.
You're not even putting up now. You're not there. You're not in the front yet. My wig's a hat.
Make sure you get in line the same way. It's not so hot.
Spiders. I was like, what the fuck's splashing on my face?
Wow, I missed the whole thing. Oh my god.
Drink it! You look a spit upon catch. You believe you're running on an OT and
Blue.
lining now. It's a vibe. So we're getting ready to get zip lining. We're in the line for that now. Come, where's Tiana? My nail broke. Okay, so now we're going to the zip line tour. They go down these billion stairs. Tired. Whoa. But yeah, so this is the first zip in the tour.
Sophia perhaps.
Stand up, baby. No, baby, sit down.
Come here.
Hold on, baby. Stand there, baby. Stand there.